Hi guys, so today I'm going to be showing you the Paylocity app, a couple features on it, the punch and the timesheet portions of it. So we are going to start clocking in and out and keeping track of everyone's hours through Paylocity instead of through Open Dental. The main reason we're going to be doing this is just to clean up some payroll errors that we've been seeing a lot lately, mostly because we have so many employees that float between offices, and so they've got time sheets at more than one office. So this way everyone will have one time card that they can see all in one spot, hopefully eliminating some of those payroll errors where people get paid at one office but not the other and things like that. So that's what we're going to start doing as of October 1st, which is tomorrow, depending on when you're watching this. So this is the app here. I'm going to show you first the punch section. So if you click on punch, this is where you're going to clock in and out if you're going to be using the app. There is going to be a second option if you can't get your phone working. There'll be a kiosk at the office. I'll go over that in a separate video, but you'll hit punch type here, this option right here, right underneath the clock. So you will hit punch type, select either clock in or clock out. You don't need to worry about any of the transfer options because the app using your location will know already which office you're at. So go ahead and hit clock in, and then up here in the top right corner, you will click submit. It's not going to let me because I'm at my house, not unauthorized, not at one of the offices. So it's telling me you can't punch in or out from an unauthorized location. But normally if you were at the office, it might take a minute for it to acquire your location. But then once you hit submit, it would just say punch successful. If you go down here on the bottom and hit this history button right here, you can see all your punch in and punch out punches that you did. Now this is not your hours, this is just what you did at what time, but if you needed to review that, that's where you're going to see that. And then if you see how it says acquiring location right there, it took a minute. So if you have some issues with that, just make sure that you've got your GPS on, your location is turned on your phone, and it might just take a minute or two for the app to find your location to make sure that you're at one of the offices. But so that's pretty much it for the clock in and clock out. You're going to be there. If you need to view your timesheet, what hours you're at, this is where you're going to go. The timesheet app, it goes by week. So you can see here, this is where it's got all your hours and also which location you're at. I'm working on fixing that so it has the actual location name instead of like the code number 300 instead of the office name. But this is where you can view all your hours for each day, and you can like swipe left or right or hit the left or right arrows there to see the different weeks, but it'll show you your total hours for the week so far and all your hours each day. So what we're going to want you guys to do each week, or especially at the end of the pay period, is review your hours. Hit this approve button in the upper right corner, and as long as everything looks good, go ahead and select each day that you're approving and click update. And now you'll see there that it all says approved. So that means that you've reviewed your hours and that you are verifying that it's all correct, that you're not missing anything, that nothing needs to be edited as far as your punch-ins or punch-outs. If you do have problems on your time clock, it's going to be the same process as it has been, where you got to fill out the time correction entry form and submit that to payroll@letsgodental.com to get those punches edited for you. So go ahead and do that. If you have any problems with your time clock, let your manager know, or you can just submit it directly yourself. I saw one employee that did that, which I thought was super cool, kind of relieving some of the workload from your manager there. But that's pretty much it. So once it's approved, we'll get notified, so that way when it's payroll time, we know that you've reviewed your hours, that everything's good to go. If there's any unapproved time, then that's when we'll start looking for those timesheet correction forms if anything needs to be done. So that's it. I just wanted to show you that, and let me know if you have any questions. If you're having problems logging into your Paylocity, then please give me a call, me or Heather, and we can help you reset your password. All right, thanks so much. Bye.